which is called Eternal English Academy. More than 5,000 students studied here and they succeed. Really, I'm happy to inform you that most of the students have shaped their career in my class. Our unique aspect is that I myself is the main faculty. Our students get ample practice in eternal English speaking. They do conversation, vocabulary, group discussion, public speaking, and they shape their knowledge here. We have well equipped classrooms and highly facilities. They submit their homeworks, we give their homeworks, we give them valuable study materials, and really our students are enjoying learning in English. I also welcome you, particularly in this time. You can see such kind of performance in one of my students, Jill Prajapati.
Hello everyone, I am Jill Prajapati from Eternal English Speaking Classes run by Chetan sir. My dear respected Chetan sir's way to teach English which inspired me a lot. Even he teaches me different types of knowledge. He is just like a magician of English speaking. In classes, students are also behave peacefully and giving respect to Chetan sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak about Navratri. The festival of Navratri is celebrated in India, but Gujarat people like to celebrate Navratri. Today I stand before you to share the joyous spirit of Navratri, a festival cherished by millions around the world. Navratri, which translates to 9 nights, is a vibrant and colorful celebration that honors divine feminine energy. Navratri comes on Asasud Ekam according to the Gujarati month. This festival is long festival lasting for 9 days. From end to the festival is Asasud Nom. This year Navratri will be started from 50 October 2023 to 24 October 2023. The gods equipped the new goddess Durga with lots of weapons before she went into battle with Mahishasura. Durga fought the demon for 10 days and it proved quite difficult as he kept changing to confuse the goddesses. However, when he finally comes into turn a buffalo, Durga was able to defeat him. Navratri preparation are like things you need to do picture or idol. After that, Gata Sthapana established the colors, worship the goddesses, Aarti of Durga Mata, inviting the 9 goddesses of offerings and making mahok like laddu, halwa, sweets for Durga Mata. During these 9 nights, we pay homage to different forms of Durga goddesses, each representing distinct qualities and power. From fires to the Durga to the benevolent Lakshmi and the wife Saraswati, Navratri to encapsulate the diversity and strength that women embody in our lives and society. The festivities immense to commence with farewell marked by traditional dances like Garba and Dandiya. The message of Navratri is apart from religious significance. Navratri offers to a valuable lesson to all of us. It reminds us to importance of the goddess and courage and faith. Moreover, Navratri is times of reflection and introspection. It allows us to examine and action, thoughts and attitude, urging us to let go to negativity and a more compassionate and understanding approach towards others. Ultimately, I would utter Yadevi Sarva Bhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsita. Namastaste, 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 Namo Namah.